My gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome back to an episode of JVLOGS. My name is Plunkett. I know I haven't uploaded in probably a month or two. I always explain this when I come on. I haven't had the drive to upload any video. I haven't had the energy or vibe. Just focus on working and other important stuff in my life. And yeah, so I know the channel has been starving, but I just want to say thank you to everybody that keeps subscribing. Thank you to everybody that keep commenting, watching the videos each and every day, each and every week. I know a lot of new people have joined and they probably want new content. So I apologize to my old gingerbread and jelly bean who have been waiting and haven't received a video in a while. But today here I am with a very informative video for you. And I hope you pay attention to this one. I'm going to go as slowly as possible so that you understand this video, understand what you can do to help yourself or help somebody. You can pass on this video to somebody. Now today, I have two documents in my hand. As you can see, hope it's not upside down. I have two documents in my hand, and these are, yes, this will be the shot of it as well. These are passports. These are very important documents, and I have two. So this is my old Jamaican passport, and this is my new Jamaican passport. So I have two of them. I won't open the page so you guys can see all of my information, but the reason I'm making this video is for persons that have a Jamaican passport and it has expired. I'm going to tell you the steps that you need to take to reapply for your new Jamaican passport remotely. When I say remotely, I mean wherever you are outside of Jamaica. You don't need to go to an embassy in that location. So if you're in America, you don't need to drive to an embassy. If you're in Canada, you don't need to drive to an embassy. You can do it from your house remotely on your computer. Yes, you can. Times have changed. The Jamaican government, is changing with that PICA, which is the Passport Immigration Citizen Agency, is changing with the times, and they're using technology to help us, to help their fellow Jamaicans that are overseas. So whether in England, Australia, wherever you are around the world, you can get your new passport in your hand. So let me go through that step for you. So first, you would need your old passport. Ensure that you have the old passport. Forgive the noise in the background, the train is passing. You will need your birth paper. This is a copy, or your adoption certificate, or your citizenship certificate. Alright guys, I'm back, the train just passed. Now, so you'll need a working computer with internet. Ensure that internet is working. You'll need a web browser that's updated and working. I know a lot of people are older people that does have a computer and don't maintain it, so ensure that your computer is maintaining your web browser is updated, and this is easy to do. You can go on YouTube and figure out how to do that, or try to call a nephew or a son or anybody that's tech savvy to help you do that, just to get this process going. You will need the old passport. Ensure that you have the old passport or the passport number. So that's the most important thing for the old passport, the passport number. That is key. So you'll need a digital passport size photograph. No, people, this is very important. Jamaica is very strict when it comes to passport size photos. When you're taking your passport size photo, ensure that you're wearing neutral colors, probably a black shirt or maybe a white shirt. With a round neck like this. Don't do the V-neck. Ensure that a professional with a photographer, a professional take the photo for you. Like, pay the money to get a professional to take it up so your head is aligned, your shoulder is aligned, and you're looking straight. Do not smile. Whatever you do, it is going to Jamaica, not America. They're not using it in America. It is for Jamaica. Do not show your teeth. Like these, do not show them. This is how you should take the picture. When they say serious as a judge, they're serious as a judge. I did mine. I went to CVS. They use some like a small camera that's not wonderful. The pixels are low and it's outdated. So I used my phone and I allowed the young lady to take the photo. Now she took the photo. My teeth was like this. can't use that photo. Like I had to send documents to Jamaica, get the photo properly taken, and send off those documents. Once they receive the documents, they phone call me right away, say, hey Mark Plunkett, I got your photo, and we're going ahead now to make the passport for you. Have your signature and stuff written as well, and then process it. So do not smile, just have a straight face and just look into the camera. Have your photo professionally done. When you get that photo, that physical photo, you now need to have that photo uploaded to your computer. So you need a digital photo from that physical. If you have a scanner at home, you can put that physical photo in your hand on the scanner, scan that to your computer and save it as a digital photo, JPEG, where you need to upload it online. So that's how you get a physical to a digital by scanning the image. So it's like a copy, like it does copies, and you copy it and you upload it to your computer, and then you upload it in the application on the website. It's pretty simple, it's detailed. If you don't understand, let somebody help you. YouTube it, Google it, whatever you need to do to understand how to photocopy or get a soft copy of an image. Now, you will need a valid Visa or MasterCard, a payment card, to pay for it online. After you go through the process, you need to ensure that you have a valid email address. So you need an email address. So don't believe that, oh, may I just put in any email address. They will email you, and from that email you see your receipt, you see your transaction number, your reference number, just in case you need to go back and fix anything. You will need that printout that they send you via email. So you need a valid email address that's connected to your phone or connected to your computer that's working. Very important, people. This is important stuff, no joking. You need a PDF reader. It's on the computer. If you don't know what a PDF reader is, go and research a PDF reader. It's a portable digital format something reader. It allows you to read documents without changing them and all type of stuff. Remember, I need a printer as well. If you have a scanner, you have a scanner. A lot of printers come with scanner. So if you have a scanner and a printer, beautiful. Don't just get a printer alone. Get a printer with a scanner. So if you're going out now to Walmart and you're going to buy a printer and a computer to do all of this, get a printer and a scanner together. That is worthwhile. So ensure that you do both of those. After that, you go through the steps. Very, very important. I know a lot of people are going to ask this. I have a child that's under the age of 18. Can they renew their passport? Unfortunately, they can't renew it online. So this is only for adults. So this online process, renewing your passport, is for adults. So if your child is 15 or 10, then you have to take them to an embassy in the country, or you have to take them to Jamaica to have their passport done or applied. And this is just for renewing your passport. So this is for adults that have their passport already. Now, the price to do the passport is $80, like 82, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30. Yes, probably 82 to do the passport itself. Now, to ship the passport to you, they use DHL Express shipping, and people, let me tell you, it fast. It fast. I tell you, the people them send off the passport from Jamaica the Monday, and the passport reached me here in the northwest of America in 4 days, like 3 to 4 days, like express, right to my door, like, and that costs $50. So your overall passport renewal is $132 US. It might be cheaper in pounds, it might be cheaper in Canadian, it might be cheaper in Australian dollars or whatever it is, but they probably just use US dollars. So ensure that you have that on the Visa debit card. When you're paying for it on the application, you pay for it. The express shipping works, and the passport came, and it's thinner, and yeah, it's it's nice. It's nice. There you can see, it's nice. It's empty, but yes. So I'm going to read like the first part of it for you on the computer that they're going to ask, so those, you know, those understand that I'm turning sideways. So they're asked, these are the 9 questions that they'll ask when you go on in. Just so you have 8 steps. So you have eligibility, search, email, contacts, cost, the photo, summary, and then payment. So you have 8 sections. So the first section is eligibility. They want to know if you're eligible to get the passport renewed. So is your passport current or expired, or will expire in 1 year or less? So you click yes or no. Was your current passport issued for 10 years? Was your current passport issued for 10 years? Was it a 10-year passport? Yes or no. Does your passport number begin with a letter A? Mine was, so I click yes. If yours wasn't, you click no. Simple questions. Is the passport photo damaged, or was it reported lost or stolen? So you answer yes or no. Was it damaged or stolen? Answer yes or no. Have you legally changed your name or wish to update your passport? So that's important for people that are married. Did you legally change your name, or you want a new name on your passport? That's important too. Was your passport photograph taken in the last 6 months? Either yes or no. And most likely going to be yes if you take a new passport photo. And then this one, are you in possession of your current passport? It's either yes or no. For all online renewals, the signature from your passport will be reused on your new passport. Do you agree to this? You click yes or no. And then the last question, was your passport issued on or after September the 3rd, 2001? You say yes or no based on when your passport was issued. And then you go from there. So peeps, that's how you renew your passport. That's how you go through the steps, the things that you need. That's it. That's how you do it. That's how the passport renewal online works. So you don't have to go to an embassy. You don't have to drive from California to New York or wherever, Brussels, London to Leicester to London, or Manchester or Birmingham or wherever. You can do it online. You can do this online by going to the Picker website, and when I'm editing this video, I'll put the link to the Passport Immigration Citizen Agency in the description. Right, that will be the first thing you'll see in the description. I'll make sure to put at the top. Very important. However, I will say it out now in this video, just in case people, you know, are able to get that done. So 1 second, let me get the computer up. So it's www.passport.pica/online.com. So again, it's www.passport.pica/online.com. Alright peeps, I'll put that down in the description. So I'll edit this video and upload it. So thank you again for watching JVLOGS. I hope this is informative. I hope this helped you. Forgive me for the trains that passed. And yeah, subscribe and share for more. Big up Coach's Decks as well. You guys can go over there on YouTube to Coach's Decks. It's a football and track and field YouTube channel. If you're a supporter of the Reggae Boys or sports overall and you're interested in that, you can go over to his channel and check it out. I'm over there on the weekends in Triple Treat as a panelist talking about sports. So thank you guys again for watching JVLOGS. As I normally do, I'm old peeps. Thanks for watching.